Well, the growing number of major stores requiring masks happens while Kentucky is in the second week of its statewide mandate.
Well, Eyewitness News' Mike Pickett went to find out if more Western Kentuckians are masking up before heading out.
Before you can eat at Briar Patch Restaurant in Owensboro, you'll need to wear a mask.
Probably 95% of the customers are understanding. They come in with a mask on, don't question it a bit.
Owner Patrick Bunton says despite the high number of customers wearing masks required, there are still some who disagree with it.
We're going to listen to what they have to say, but the fact is for them to dine out in Kentucky, they do have to have masks coming in and leaving.
State Commissioner for Public Health, Dr. Stephen Stack, says if 80 to 90% of Kentuckians follow the mask mandate, then the state should see a drop in cases in as soon as 2 weeks. Late last week, the state Supreme Court issued a stay on orders from 2 other counties that would have avoided the mask and other executive orders related to the pandemic.
The moment I'm around anybody, I put it on.
Some Western Kentuckians see more masks on around the city since the order started.
I think people are respectful of each other, and I think that's part of the, why they do it.
I'm not fond of these. I actually dislike these. I don't think they do a whole lot, but I'll do my part, especially around elders and children.
Davis County dispatchers say they've had a few calls since the order started of non-compliance, but callers are told law enforcement will not respond, but refer their calls to the Green River District Health Department.
During today's briefing, Governor Beshear reiterated his belief that if President Trump wore a mask, that would encourage more people to wear one as well. In Owensboro, Mike Pickett, Eyewitness News.